How to use if function in Excel. For this tutorial, I have created an electronic online store with item, quantity, and remark in the Excel table. Without further ado, let us start. What is an if function? An if function checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. Okay, let us work on an example that the items must restock when the quantity is lesser than 5. First, select on the cell D7 and type in the equal, if, open parentheses. Select cell C7, type in less than 5, comma, insert quotes, restock, close the quotes. Hit the return key. You will get restock as the total number of MacBook Pro quantity that is lesser than 5. Second, let us find which electronic are required to restock and which doesn't. Simply, move your cursor to the lower right of D7. Once your cursor turns into the cross sign, double-click on it. You will be able to see the list of restock and false. Excel automatically turn all the untrue value into false. Alright, now let's learn how to change false to a word of your choice. Let's change the wording false to the word sufficient. Select cell D7 and apply the parameters from the previous example. Type in comma, insert quotes, sufficient, and close the quotes. Hit the return key. Next, we will apply the functions by double-clicking the cross sign on the lower right of D7. You will notice item like MacBook Air are defined as sufficient as their current quantity is 10, which is larger than 5. There you have it, the if function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorial. But, before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using Alchemy J Studio Excel add-in to turn this if function Excel into an API. To do this, I will need Alchemy J Excel installed and with a preset of rules. I will select the Alchemy J ribbon, select Generate API, and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API which Alchemy J generates and try using the if function on it. I will expand this tab and select Try it out. Imagine that our online store is left with 10 iPhones. Let us click on execute and check if we have a result of sufficient. Yes, we got it. How about 3 MacBook Pro? Let us try again. Restock. Guess it is time for us to order from our supplier. Alchemy J Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download Alchemy J Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.